Here's a pair of these Soundcore P20i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to put it in pairing mode, how to connect to one device, then how to connect to another device, and then how to factory reset these. So the first thing is let's connect here to my iPhone 16e, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and take these, and I'm going to put these in my ear right now, okay? And as soon as I put these in my ear, I hear the wake up chime, and then I hear din din din. Dun, 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 dun. That means it's in pairing mode, okay? So now that we're in pairing mode, we can go ahead and connect to here. So the iPhone here, I'm going to go to my settings. I'm going to go to Bluetooth here. And that little spinny thing down there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. And it did find the P20i's right there. So let me go ahead and tap on that. And now we're connected, okay? So we're connected and paired to this iPhone 16e. Now, let's say we want to go ahead and connect to this phone here. This is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, an Android phone. So if I take these out and I hold these up and I put them in my ear, I'll hear like the turn on chime, and then I'll hear beep, meaning that it's connected to a different device. I'm not going to hear that pairing mode chime like din-din-din, din-din-din. Okay, so how do I put these in pairing mode so I can connect to this phone now? There's two things I can do. Okay, one is I can go to my Bluetooth here. I can turn off Bluetooth, disconnect, or delete it from the pairing list, or I can factory reset these to put these in pairing mode as well. Okay, but let me just go ahead and put these in pairing mode. Let me just go ahead and take it off, turn it off of here first. Okay, so I'm in the settings here, the Bluetooth settings, and you can see the Soundcore right there. Again, I can turn off Bluetooth. I can click on that little I for info. I can disconnect or forget this device. Or if you're on an Android phone, it'd be like unpair. If I do any of those three, these will automatically go into pairing mode. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. Bluetooth is off now. These should be in pairing mode now. Now let's go ahead and grab this phone here. And then we're going to go to settings, connections, Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. And that spinny thing there is searching for devices in pairing mode. That's under here, under available devices. And it did find the P20i's right there. I'll tap on that. With Android phones, you get a pairing request. We'll tap on pair. And voila, now we are paired and connected to this phone here. Now, let's say we want to do a factory reset. Let's say we want to do a factory reset. Maybe one side's not working, or it keeps disconnecting, or it's out of sync, or one side's volume is lower than the other, and so on, okay? So let's factory reset this. To factory reset this, all you gotta do is take the buds out, and then you see the logo there, the letter P, press and hold for 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. Press and hold, just hold it. Count to 10 seconds, okay? You're gonna see this disconnect. See it just disconnected, so just keep holding here. 8, 9, 10. Okay, we just factory reset these, okay? Now, these will automatically go into pairing mode. So these are factory reset, these are ready to go. Now the thing is, if I wanted to connect back to this phone here, even if I go to my Bluetooth settings and I do a search, it's not going to find it down here, because remember, I was connected before. You see paired devices, Soundcore P20i. So if I want to connect back to this phone here, I have to click on the info, and I'm going to unpair. On the iPhone, it'd be like, forget this device, okay? So I'm going to totally delete it out of the pairing list. And now it should show up down here, and it's available devices, the P20i. So now I can connect back to this phone if I wish. I get a pairing request, of course. Now the same thing, remember, I was paired and connected to this phone too. If I wanted to connect back to this iPhone 16e, then I would have to go into the Bluetooth pairing list and delete it off of there. Basically, for an iPhone, you would tap forget this device. Android phone, it's like, it says unpair. Anyway, I hope that helped you guys out.